With just your phone, I'll show you how to create magic photo like this using Bing AI without any stress. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you're very new to this channel and you love AI content like this, consider to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's dive deep into the tutorial and see how to create magic images like this using BingAI.com without any stress. So let's begin.
Welcome back, friends. So the first thing we need to do is to make sure we head over to our Google Play Store right here. So if you are using Android phone, you have to head over to your Google Play Store. But if you are using iPhone, just head over to your iPhone store. So right now in this tutorial, I'm using Android phone. So I'm going to head over to my Play Store right here. I'll get into your Play Store. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you make use of the search engine right here. What you need to do there is to type in Bing. Then you click on search. So you're going to click on here to install. After a successful download and install, next thing you want to do is to click on open. Then right here, click on continue. Then you'll be taken in like this. So the next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on image creator. It will take you to this point right here. So you have to make sure you click on join and create. So you can click on sign in with a personal account. Then from the point here, click on Microsoft account sign in. Then you have to click on create one. The next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on get a new email address. Then enter your username. Then you can come here and interchange from either Outlook or Hotmail right here. But I'm going to leave it in Outlook, so I'm going to select on that. And the next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on next. Then you have to set in your login password. Then click on next. Then you can save the password to the password manager. Then right here you enter your first name, last name, then click on next. Set your country right here. Then move down below here, choose your month and the year of date of birth. Then choose your day, then choose your year. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on next. Then you have to click on next. Then you have to use this arrow to position this particular shoe in this way of hand, this way. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to make use of this to position the shoe in the way of arrow. Then I think I got it. Then I'll click on submit. Then we are going to use the same another arrow. So we can use this one this time around. I'm going to use this arrow right here. Then I will rotate. Then right here, I will make sure I click on submit. Then I can make use of this arrow right here. So I will just tap. Then I'll click on submit. Use of this arrow. Then I'll click on submit. And I'm going to make use of this arrow to rotate in the hand direction. Then I click on submit. Verification complete. So right here you can see an account has been successfully created. Welcome back, friends. So after I successfully create an account with Microsoft Bing, so let's see how to use Microsoft Bing AI to create a magic photo using your phone. The first thing you want to do is to make sure you click on here. Then it takes you to this page. Okay, next thing you want to do is to make sure you type in your prompt into this particular color right here. I have my prompt already. What I'm going to do is to make sure I click and hold down. I will paste my prompt here. You can also check the description of this video to get this tutorial prompt. After you have typed in your prompt, next thing you want to do is to click on create. Beautiful. So you can see the image right here. So for us to download any of the image, what we need to do is to click on the image link right here. So we can simply click and hold down. Then we make sure we click on download image. Then we click on download. So download completely. So we can swipe and then we click and hold down. We click on download. Then download. Download completed. So we can swipe again. We click and hold down. We make sure we click on download, download, then download completed. Then we swipe, we click and hold down just to download all the 4 images. So it's as simple as that. So see, this is how you can actually use Microsoft Bing to generate magic photo, just like what you see right here. If you find this video useful and you love AI content like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.